Welcome in fourth grade for the last time in fourth grade remote learning handwriting lessons. That's a mouthful. Okay, because we were focused on Greek meaning this week, I'm going to end on page 72 and 73 talking about synonyms and antonyms. Uh, Syn is actually taken from the Greek language, which means the same. So if I were to take the word synonym and I'm just going to split it down the middle, syn means same, and onym means name or word. So same name or word. So when we talk about automobile, what's a different name for an automobile? A car or a vehicle? So if I were to cover up these names and all you could see was the picture, some of you might say car, some of you might say automobile, some of you might say vehicle. There's many different names that are the same as automobile. Even a sedan, maybe you've heard that. That's a smaller car or a two-door or four-door vehicle. Sedan. Okay, so synonyms are words that share the same or almost the same meaning. Synonym starts with S, just like same and similar. Okay, so we're going to translate each printed word into cursive with a synonym beside it. So the first one is done for us. Automobile is written in cursive. And then the synonym automobile also equals the same, similar, or is the same meaning as car. Okay, then we have boat. Let's write it. Ready? Begin. Remember that B is a tow truck letter. Good job. Remember, we're practicing writing on single lines. We don't have that midline to help us. So think of something that's similar to a boat. Actually, let's practice writing all of these. Then we'll come back and write the synonym, okay? So that we can do this together. Cheerful. Ready? Begin. Magic C. H. E. E. R. Big smile. F is a tall letter. U. And L is a tall letter. F's a tall letter and it's a descending letter. You might have thought that. Okay, elderly, ready? E. L is a tall letter. D is another tall letter. E. R, big smile. L. Y. And remember, when you come down to descend with the Y, you find your corner and end. Yep. Ready? Intelligent. I. N. T. E. Double L. Intelligent. G has the J sound in the word intelligent. E. N is a cursive N, and then zip your tent at the end. Intelligent. That's a long word. And you cross two I's and two T's. All right, next word, purchase. Ready? P. U. U-R makes the sound. Big smile in your R. Ch. C-H makes the ch sound. H is a tall letter. A. straight jet takeoff into your S and end with an E and travel away slightly. Okay, street, ready? Straight jet takeoff. Do a tall letter T. R, big smile. E, E, and a tall letter T. Good job. Go back and cross your T's. Nice. Student, ready? Straight jet takeoff. Do a tall letter T. U, D, E, N is a cursive N, and T, and then cross your T's. Nice. And the last word is woman. Ready? Down, up, and it's a toe, truck letter. O is a toe, and printed M, only have 3 humps. Go straight into Magic C to create your A, and end with a cursive N. Woman. Good job. Now I'm going to pause this video and I want you to think of something that's similar to these words: boat, cheerful, elderly, intelligent, purchase, street, student, and woman, and write them in the right-hand column. And I'll see you in a moment. Press pause and I will get back with you and we'll go over the words that we come up with. Welcome back, 4th grade. All right, these are the words that Mrs. Rooney came up with. You hopefully have some different ones than I do because not everybody thinks alike. And so if we were in the classroom, it would be fun to see what others came up with for synonym for boat. I had ship, cheerful, or another meaning could be happy, elderly, old, intelligent, smart, purchase, buy, street, road, student, pupil. That's an old name for a student, is a pupil, or you could have said maybe learner, woman, and then I put female. Okay. All right, let's move on to the next page, 73. And real quickly, we're going to go over antonyms. So a synonym is a word that's similar or means the same. Antonym, if I were to grab my pen and slice the word, ant, the first part of the word, the Greek word, means against. And onyms, again, means name or word. So against a name or a word. So this is going to mean the opposite. Antonyms are words that mean the opposite. Okay? So if I have a short car, like a Mini Cooper, what is the opposite of short? Well, here's this long stretch limo that's long. Short, opposite of short is long. Opposite of difficult, they give us this first sample, is easy. Okay, I want you to copy these words. I'll push pause and I'll do the same, but I want you to practice writing expensive, chilly, generous, and interesting. Okay. I want you to copy those 4 words down here, and then at the same time, I want you to think of something that's opposite. So what's the opposite of expensive? What's the opposite of chilly? What's the opposite of generous? And what's the opposite of interesting? And then we will share it when we get back. All right, 4th graders, how did you do? Okay. What did you come up with for your antonym? Remember, antonym is opposite. Synonyms the same, antonym is opposite. So opposite of expensive, Mrs. Rooney said affordable. Opposite of chilly, Warm. Opposite of the word generous would be greedy. If you're not giving, if you're not generous, you would be greedy. And if I was reading a book and it was very interesting, the opposite would be I would be reading something that was boring. Interesting or boring. Okay. All right, and the final task today is that you're going to write 2 sentences using antonyms. And they're giving you an example, which I rewrote here to demonstrate the sentence, my grandfather is old, but I am young. So after you're done writing your 2 sentences, underline the antonyms. They should be opposite of each other. Old and young are antonyms. They're opposite words. They don't mean the same. My grandfather is old, but I am young. Okay, have fun completing your final 2 sentences, and I will see you at the end of the year party at Roosevelt Park. I can't wait to see you. You can bring your notebook to quickly show me if you would like some of your handwriting. I'd love to see it. Bye, everyone. See you soon.